She sat down, having a hard time trying to catch up with her classmates. She've always thought that maybe her dreams were too big for someone like her. She've always believed that she could never achieve anything. But here she is now, achieved of something this big. And even to this day, I can't believe it. This school that I've been at for 12 years isn't just a place in where I study. This place has seen me through it all. Where I laughed, cried, stumbled, and stood back up again. I used to walk in my school halls when I was still trying to learn my name in cursive. And now I walk out of them, ready to write the next chapter of my life. And of course, I wouldn't have made it here without the people who stood beside me every step of the way. First and foremost, I want to thank God for His constant guidance and for everything He has done, for every protection, and for giving me the strength when I felt weak, and for all the blessings He has given me that has shaped me to who I am today. And to our school principal, Dr. Fry Michael Arcanaro, thank you for everything you've done for us. Your guidance, leadership, and support as our principal